some really crazy people in the industry, but I don't think it gets crazier than this. Please put your hands together for
Apparently, he's directed this film. That's the
Omi
rumor.
Adajania! Woohoo!
Style, I think we were given this freewheeling ability by our director and choreographer कि जो हमारे मन में हम गाना सुन के करें तो कोई dancing style नहीं था. We all just tried to have fun.
I think as far as how much I have grown, I think you should ask someone like Homi who's worked with me in the capacity of a director. As far as the accent is concerned, it's actually something I really enjoyed with Fanny because the film is set in Goa and I got to speak my mother tongue in the film, which is Konkani. Goans do speak Konkani, we know that. So I got to experiment, improvise, but most importantly, it's a nice feeling when you have command over a language. Having said that, I think the first few days on set were very difficult, not just for me, but for all of us. When you're an actor in a Hindi film, you're used to listening to yourself in Hindi and performing in Hindi and hearing yourself in Hindi. When you start doing the same thing in English, it just sounds different. So it takes a couple of days to get used to that. Yeah.
But yeah, so they were just fabulous. They were fabulous in the same frame. It was a joy watching them. And since we are talking about these veterans, I must say I was extremely, extremely proud of Deepika and Arjun, considering the experience the other three have. They have gone pound for pound in this film, and I mean, they just hold their own in every scene with Nasir, Pankaj, and Dimple.
हर रोज अलग रीजन होते हैं खुश होने के सर. कभी काम से खुशी मिलती है, कभी पर्सनल लाइफ से मिलती है, कभी कभी कोई किसी से मिल लो तो खुशी मिलती है. You can find happiness in different ways in different places when you least expect it. So you can't describe it in आपको किससे मिलती है. हर रोज you find different experiences that give you genuine happiness.
No, she was very comfortable. In fact, Dimple is, I think she's extremely shy of the media, but she's completely game for anything. She's a sporting woman. She loves having fun, and in fact, in Finding Fanny, we've made her wear a 20-kilo prosthetic bottom and a stomach, and she wanted to make it 40 kilos, but I had to control her because she just loves going over the top. But yeah, she was completely game for anything. She likes having fun, and I think all of us love having fun, and that's why we had so much fun on this film.
See, our focus as a studio is obviously to come up with films and be associated with films which are different and diverse. And I think, you know, Finding Fanny, Bang Bang, and Bombay Velvet is just sort of testimony to that. See, box office is obviously a very important metric. And I think, but it all has to start with the fact that as a team, we all feel passionate about this film. And genuinely, I believe, you know, as we all know, audiences are changing. I believe it's an excellent opportunity for us to showcase a slightly different film, not only in India but also across the world, and you know, and make it a sort of a milestone as far as Bollywood is concerned. So I think it's really exciting times. You got, you know, exciting talent, and you got quirky directors, and so I think as a team it works really well.
Actually, the first film we made, and that also Homi directed, was a film called Being Cyrus. So I think for us it's very important to find a story and then back the director to make it in the best possible manner. So what's interesting, like Arjun said, the story might be simple, Homi's take makes it interesting, but it's something that everyone said. This story talks about, you know, finding a point to your pointless existence, and that's something I think today, in the era of technology, everyone will relate to, and therefore the decision also to take it wider than we thought it was. So I think it's the story. If it's a story that evokes a sentiment, you should make it.